Hello, parents and guardians. My name is Morgan Nissen, and I am your student's honors Algebra 2 teacher. I am so excited to be offering this class this year here at CMS. This is the first year it is offered at CMS. I have a background in Algebra 2 and have taught it at Eden Prairie High School and Minnetonka High School, so I'm very familiar with the material and really excited to get to bring it here to CMS. A little bit about myself. Last year, my last name was Ingram, so I definitely had some of your students last year, but my name has now changed. It's taken them a little bit to get to know that, but this is me and my husband here on the right. I got married last February. Those are my two dogs on the left, Nova and Luna, and I went to Concordia in St. Paul for my undergrad. So just a little bit about myself. This is my 9th year teaching, my 3rd year here at CMS. This is the Algebra 2 textbook we will be using. It is the same textbook that the high school uses. So I have been working very closely with the honors Algebra 2 teachers at the high school to know what they are doing and what we are doing. I'm following their retake policy. I'm following their grading. And using a lot of their same notes and whatnot, so that way everything is as close as possible to a high school experience as well. These are the topics we will be covering. We may end up covering more topics since the high school only does it half a year and we're going to be doing it a full year. We might end up getting to some more than just those topics. For Algebra 2, your student's grade will be broken down in that 85 to 15% category. The 15 is going to be the quizzes and the daily assignments. So their homework and quizzes are both in that 15%. And then the 85% is the summative assessments. And that's going to be the end of unit tests. And like I told our students, I do plan on having a final. So we'll have a final at the end of semester 1, which will cover all of semester 1, and then we'll have one at the end of the year, at the end of semester 2, which will cover just semester 2 material. Where you can find different material, it is the same as last year and previous years here at CMS. Your student's grade lives in campus. So if you want to check to see what their grade percentage is or what grade they have, that is in campus. I will also try to update that daily with accurate information on missing assignments or anything that needs updating in campus. Schoology is where you will find all the information, links, PDFs that your students need. That is where they will turn in everything on Schoology. So Schoology has lots of resources for your student to be able to find any missing work. That's where they turn in their work, all of that sort of stuff on Schoology. Required materials for Algebra 2. Your student is going to need a graphing calculator. I told the students that they could get like a TI-84 or any other Texas Instrument calculators. I really stress the Texas Instrument brand. I know it is the more expensive brand, but that is the ones that we use in class and what I will be teaching them to use. So you're going to want to make sure that they're getting that brand of calculator, and then they'll be able to use that at the high school as well next year and in their future. They'll need pencils, lined or graph paper, and then obviously their iPad as well. Expectations and a plan for success. Obviously, I would love your students to be able to participate in class and participate in that learning environment, to ask questions, be prepared for class, and their willingness to reattempt problems. Algebra 2 is a challenging course. It is a 10th grade course or that double accelerated from your students, so they might struggle a little bit, and that's okay. They'll reattempt it and they'll learn from those mistakes that they'll potentially make. Thank you so much for listening to my video. I hope I get to meet you at some point during the school year, during conferences, or any other times. Just so you know, we're always in need of pencils, graph paper, and Kleenexes are a big one. So if you feel like you would like to donate, I would be greatly appreciating that. So thank you very much. Have a great rest of your night.